Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We have a special guest, the legendary legend
Grandma Mia. Grandma Mia. Hello people.
Go here now.
This is Grandma Mia.
Come on. So guys, I have my mom on the channel today because you guys have been asking to see her once again, and today's video is going to be super interesting. It's going to be asking my Nigerian mother questions you are too afraid to ask your own.
Wow. You go fear.
In fact, asking your Nigerian Christian mother.
You go fear. Hey.
I'm so excited. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm so happy. Mom, are you happy to be back?
Oh yes, I am happy to be back.
Been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while and I've been so busy.
Yeah.
So busy.
She has.
Yes, I've been so busy. But I'm here today.
All right, guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this fun video. So, Mom, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
I hope it's question that I can answer.
You can answer them in Jesus' name.
If it's not,
if it's not, what?
I will not answer. Okay.
Number one, when did you fall in love for the first time?
Go to labor.
When did you fall in love for the first time?
Leave me alone.
Come on, I mean, we all fell in love before we met our husband.
Of course, now, of course.
Hey, Mommy, so you fell in love with somebody before Popsy?
Leave me alone, please. Go to me,
Well, just give us the time of your life.
Oh, Alma. Hi, Alma. I hope I will be able to answer these questions. Before Uncle, I shouldn't have fallen in love before meeting your dad.
No, you definitely now, but it's just strange and queer to actually know that you fell in love before meeting Pops.
Before.
Yeah, Mommy, now. You must give us gist now.
Mama, gist. Mama.
When was it? Secondary school, university, primary school, maybe puppy love.
That's puppy love.
Primary school love. Crush.
Primary school. No, Mama, it was in secondary school.
Secondary school? Oh, what was his name?
Don't even go there.
Just tell her.
I will not tell
her.
Go to the next question.
Oh, God, Mom. When did you and your first boyfriend break up? This is sweet. I love this guy.
Oh, my God. When? How do you expect me to be remembering all this? By March, I would have been married to your dad for 33 years. Are you expecting me to remember when I broke up?
Everybody remembers their first boyfriend. So when did you guys break up?
I think it was when I got admission to the university.
Hey, Mommy, really? Oh, so it was even before uni. Hey,
when I got admission into the university.
What caused the breakup? Melly's going to laugh at this video. You can't remember.
What caused the breakup? I think it was distance.
Oh, chai.
I think it was distance.
Yummy.
You know, it's cool and the fun of.
Yeah. Did you want more kids even after you had your last born?
Yes, at a point I wanted more kids.
Really, Mom?
Even after I had Wendy.
Oh. Yeah. I always thought you were done with 4.
I wanted more. I wanted one more.
One more.
Yeah, after Wendy.
Oh, but you never.
I thought I could just have one more boy.
Oh, one more boy.
Yeah. I craved for another boy, but then
God said it's okay.
God said it's okay. Halt.
Halt is enough. Does it matter what race/country your children decide to pick a life partner from?
What can I say?
Well, it doesn't matter anymore.
It doesn't really matter anymore. When my only son has gone to Jamaica. My only son has gone to Jamaica.
Exactly.
So it doesn't really matter for me. It doesn't really matter anymore. What matters most is the happiness.
The happiness, yeah. So if Melly comes today and says she has fallen in love with a Greek guy, A guy from Greece or a guy from Puerto Rico or
You know,
something.
Belly, you know your sister has warned me.
Yeah.
You know, she warned me severally. You know, she warned me severally, especially this going home every year for Christmas. She warned me, Mommy. In fact, she pulled her ear for me. That, Mommy, I'm not going to be doing this, so Mommy, I'm not going to be doing this. I'll just look for a white man and marry. So she has warned me. So anybody that Melly decides to bring home,
You're not bothered.
I'm not bothered because she warned me.
On what occasion was I conceived? Oh my God!
Mama, I can't remember.
Mom.
Yes. Mama, I cannot remember.
You cannot remember what occasion?
I can't.
Wow.
All I know is that I was how many months gone on my wedding day?
Yeah.
I had my wedding was March 18, 1989. I had you July.
1989.
Yeah. So I can't
that
remember.
means you and Popsi were playing the away match before you got married. What is the appropriate age for a young girl to start dating?
Appropriate age for a young girl to start dating. I think it's 20. Between 20 and 21, yes.
Kai, Mommy, you are really old school.
Leave on. Between 20 and 21 is appropriate.
2021.
Yeah,
Mommy, that's late.
No, it's not late, Mama. You know why it's not late? Eh? You know why it's not late? Because 16, 17, 18, 19, those are teenage years. They are still teens. You understand? You understand?
Yeah.
So for me, between 20 and 21, that's most appropriate.
Then before 25 or so, they should now be married.
Yeah.
Which time do they have to
By
explore?
25.
So they have just 4 years to explore life.
Yeah. By 25, they should marry.
Now wow.
By 25.
Mommy, now wow.
This one that you're scratching here. If I will not answer, if you like, scratch your throat very well.
At what age do you think I lost my virginity? At what age do you think I lost my virginity? Because I don't think you actually know. But
I don't know, but I will
think?
guess. That at what age?
Do you think?
At what age do I say, Mama?
Even if she tells the answer, I will not still tell what my own answer is, safe. So just guess, Sha.
Mama, I think you lost your virginity at, I'm just guessing,
Yeah.
maybe between 22 and 23.
Try. I must have been a very good girl if I had waited up to that age.
That means you didn't wait.
I don't know, Mom. Anyway, next.
Are you serious?
Next question, Mom. Now, wow. Okay, this one you will not answer it. I know you will not answer this one. At what age did you lose your own virginity?
I won't answer.
I know. What would you have done if I got pregnant as a teenager?
You would have carried that pregnancy to full term.
Yeah, that's my mom.
You would have carried that pregnancy to full term.
Yeah.
Then I will collect the baby.
From
and
me.
then you will go back to school.
Yep.
Okay, now.
That's exactly what my mother would do.
We carry it to full term.
Yeah. But you'll be mad at me. You'd have been mad at me, Sha.
But the deed had already been
done. Oh, okay. How soon will you love for me to have another child?
Alma, I've been saying it.
Don't allow me to even land.
Yeah, don't even land. Mama, I've been saying it. March 2022, Chukwazam will be 3 years.
So not Chukwazam.
Chukwazam Ekpele will be 3 years in March 2022. Mama, I've practically been begging.
Yeah, guys, she has been begging me.
I've practically been begging.
She has been on her knees begging me. Don't worry, Mom, it's gonna happen.
Mama, let it happen.
By God's grace.
Okay.
Can you tell, or could you have been able to tell when your children weren't virgins anymore? For instance, when I was still single, obviously living in your house, could you have been able to tell? Was there any sort of behavior from me or from any of us should have told you that, we're no longer virgins?
Of course not.
Really?
Of course.
How do you parents always know?
Why would I know if I couldn't tell, or if I couldn't have been able to tell, then I'm not a mother now. Abba mana. Hey.
Oh my God.
Mama.
Yeah,
you don't know this, my eyes are on the ground.
I know. I know.
Anya Lumanio, I'm watching.
You are seeing everything, even when you're not talking.
When I'm not talking.
Shy.
I know everything. No. In fact, all the things you think I don't know, I know. I will just go.
Okay, the last one. At what age would you love to have had all your grandchildren? So at what age do you want to be when I've had all my kids, Chuki has had all his kids, Melba, and you are just with your grandchildren? What age would you want to have attained?
65.
65?
Or before 65.
Mommy, that's like how many years away?
That's like how many years away, Mama?
Mommy, don't exactly now.
65, Mama.
Mom.
I'm 60 by the grace of God in 3 years.
Yeah. So in the next 8 years,
Yeah.
me, I should have finished giving birth.
Chuki
and Latoya, Melba.
Yeah. I'm telling you, it's better that way. It's easy. Yes, it's easy.
All right, ma. We'll work on it, ma.
65 is ideal.
Okay, we've heard. We'll work on it. Chuki, Melba, are you hearing? All right, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun, intrusive video.
Very intrusive.
I know that I really put her on the spot.
Very, very intrusive. If you had told me that this,
you would have said no. You're not answering.
Very intrusive questions. Can you imagine? You know what? At what occasion were you conceived? Go and ask your dad now if you will remember.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Mom C again. Right? I'll see you guys in my next video. Any word for them before we go?
Alma's fans. In fact, most of you meet me at occasions. Oh, Alma's mom because of my hair. Never mind that I had my braids on. I'm going to the US of A.
Come on.
To go and see my son. To go and see my son. Alma she has taken almost all the love, so let me go and give my son some. So I want you beautiful fans of Alma Ngu. Keep watching Alma Ngu. Keep watching Alma Ngu.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, and thank you indeed.
Thanks, Mom. All right, guys. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Bye.